The game industry is an incredibly competitive field. So many people are looking to break into it, yet when they go to their favorite studio's websites looking for job listings, so many of them require multiple years of experience before you can even be considered to be a candidate for that job. So how do we get around this? How do we start building our own experience? Well, actually, it's quite simple. It just takes some time. But the first thing I want you guys to start doing is to start learning about every other discipline in the game industry. So, for example, if you're audio like me, you can start learning about art or programming or production or QA and everything else that's out there. You don't have to be a master of every single discipline. Yet, it can be very helpful to know just a little bit about how everyone else works so that you can be a better member of your teams and create better games. So next, what I recommend you guys start doing, especially if you're beginners, is to start going to game jams. Now, game jams are super fun events where people get together and make games usually based around a theme. Sometimes these game jams last 2 hours, and sometimes they last 48 hours, 72 hours, even sometimes a week long, or even a month long in some cases. It's really good to get a whole bunch of games under your belt, even if they're not so great. Even if you're making them within 2 hours or 48 hours, it can be a lot of fun. It can be a great networking experience, and you can learn a ton in a very short period of time. Now, if you've never done a game jam before, I recommend checking out the website ComboHub. It's a great website that lists tons of game jams that are going on at any given time around the world. And I'm going to list a whole bunch of resources for you in the description below. So feel free to check it out so you can see what game jams are appropriate to you, what are happening in your area, and what you'd like to join. Now, there are also some online-only game jams, so no matter where you are in the world, you can start working on games with other people. And one I recommend and love is called One Game a Month, where people get together and make one game a month, every month for as long as they can, and are looking for all sorts of disciplines. There's artists, there's programmers, producers, QA, audio, everything's out there, and it's a great way to get tons of experience under your belt. Because if you are looking for a job in the game industry, it shows that you're a real go-getter when you are working on games on your own and have that experience. Again, the games don't have to be great, they don't have to be super famous, but if you have that experience, you'll become so good that no one will be able to ignore you.